Hi, welcome to my channel, you guys. So today we have a synthetic, yes, you heard it. You know your girl don't play too much with synthetic wigs, but I got a synthetic wig from Dhgate, right? Dhgate, yeah. Dhgate from Fashion Girl Hair, I believe. And I just got it because I was like, you know what, let me try this. I saw somebody talking about it on TikTok. Like, it really went crazy from there. And I was like, you know what, let me just get this hair for $50. Why not? You know what I'm saying? So I got the hair, you guys, and I just want to unbox it with you guys, and then the next tutorial is me installing it, so stay tuned for that. If you want to watch the rest of this video, just keep watching, you guys. Okay, you guys, I got the wig right here. And when I first pulled her out, I was like, wait, y'all, this is okay. You know what I'm saying? For the price. Let me show y'all why I said it's okay. Right? So here is it. It came with a wig cap, of course. You know, I had to open it. I'm feeding to open it. My birthday was yesterday. I didn't put it on because I was like, girl, that's a synthetic wig. You could just, you know, throw on one of your little Johnnies until it's time. So we got her right here, y'all, and she not bad. Okay, we gonna put this on and install it to the best of our abilities. Okay, so here she is, straight out of the packaging. I'm sorry, you guys. Do y'all see baby hairs? I see baby hairs on a synthetic wig. I don't really know about synthetic wigs because I don't really get them like that, but you guys, she's okay. Like, so we're gonna take her out the bag. Okay, another thing, she gets nappy really fast. Like, what's going on? Okay, so this is her. I can't wait to put her in, actually. Ooh, it's getting hooked everywhere. Hold on, y'all. So this is her. I'm gonna have to stand up to show y'all the end, right? But she is not bad. This is the inside of the wig. It's only a T part, as you guys can see. And she long, okay? She long. Now let's get into the actual factual, what everybody wants to see. It's how is she looking on the top, you know? And we definitely gonna see that in the next video, y'all. We gonna zoom her up. Look, I'm getting shut in already. Look, y'all know I'm gonna keep it 100% transparent with you guys. Now, this is a synthetic wig, so this will happen, but this is why I don't, you know, like, I like her, I like it, but you guys, look at that. Hold on. Let me get my mannequin, and I'm gonna set her up properly so y'all can see better. Hold on. Okay, so this is raw and uncut. She got stuck on my mannequin. I don't know how, I don't know when, but she did. So let's put her on. It's kind of tangly, y'all. I don't know if y'all have some tips or anything to tame this hair properly. So we're gonna put her on the mannequin and get her situated. Okay. And it's giving, I don't know. Y'all tell me in the comments what it's giving. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, because we'll be doing more of these videos here, okay? Come on, head. Get your... Okay? So I'm I'm wondering, can I bleach her knots or not? I don't think you could do that on a synthetic wig, right, y'all? So this is her right here. Okay, she's not that bad. She's not that bad at all for $50. I just really want to show y'all. Hey, China gang. So, like, she don't look bad. We can't bleach knots on a synthetic wig right now. But when I put this on, y'all just forget that I even told y'all it's synthetic, okay? Because this is real version human hair for me, okay? And that's on period. So this is her, and we're gonna do her tomorrow. Her ends, let me show you guys her ends, because I don't think I did that. Her ends is looking real choppy. Okay, I ain't gonna lie. Ooh. Ooh. Well, I guess we're gonna cut it and fix it, and we're gonna see how it is. Now this is 30, 32. I'm sorry, somebody was passing. I thought it was my kids, 2 o'clock in the night. So we're gonna do her tomorrow because it's late. Like I said, it's late. And you know, so yes, my birthday was yesterday. I just want to finish this video. So happy birthday to me again, Scorpio seasons. If you a Scorpio, drop your comments, okay? But even if your kid's a Scorpio, we are good people, aren't we? I just want to know. Because people be acting like we ain't. Let me stop being ghetto, okay? So this is our wig. And we going to install her. Let me see if I can do baby hairs on the side. Yeah, the baby hairs is going to flow. It's going to look good, too. Like, let me see. Y'all could tell the difference from this hair to the hair I have in now. If y'all can tell the difference, drop a comment. Because you're not supposed to. Nah, can you tell the difference, y'all? I feel like this is more shiny and plasticky. And this is more like real hair. Like, I don't know. I can't explain it. There is a difference. So thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. I know I've been gone for a little bit, and you know, I'm back now. Y'all know how the videos start rolling through. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notification bell next time I upload a tutorial you don't want to miss. So thank you. Have a good night. Have a good day. Merry Christmas. Happy Hanukkah. And yeah, we're out.